Greetings to all students. Today I will teach you poem 5 The Snare. The poet of this chapter is James Stephens. He was born on Feb 2, 1882 to a poor family living in a slum area of Dublin. Stephens' proficiency in the Gaelic language and his extensive collection of Irish folklore and legend made him a master of the Irish oral tradition. The Snare is the beautiful poem of James Stephens. In this poem, you will see students a rabbit that has trapped. Okay, so you will feel how the poet feel about it. Now I am going to start this poem. So first 4 lines are here. I hear a sudden cry of pain. Poet says, I heard a sudden cry of pain. Poet was going anywhere and then he sudden feel a sound of pain. Then there is a rabbit in a snare. Snare means students trap. Okay, so this is the sound of rabbit and there is a rabbit has been trapped. Now I hear the cry again. Then after poet feel this cry again but I cannot tell from where. But he cannot find out where is the sign is coming. So but I cannot tell from where. But he is not finding, he is not searching because he was not searching that where is the sound is coming. He is calling out for a ad. Okay, ad for students, ad means help. Okay, this rabbit want the help of the poet. So he was crying and he was weeping. So and poet was also want to help him, but he was not know where is the voice is coming. Crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. And the crying of rabbit is making the air frightened and everything is looking like a afraid because he was weeping very pain and he was searching but he was not getting. Now making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and this afraid making his face, wrinkling means shrink, his face is making shrink because he was in pain. As he cries again for aid, and then after he was crying and he was in pain because he was feeling in pain, it is in trap. Who is in trap? Rabbit is in trap and he was feeling of pain. So he was crying. And I cannot find the place and I cannot find the place. But the poet did not find the place of rabbit where is the rabbit has trapped. He was searching but he is not finding. Where his paws in thy snare. Where his paws means leg. Okay, you can say where his paws in his snare and where your leg has been trapped. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Poet is saying your voice is coming. I know you are in pain and you are in pain and you has been trapped by anyone. But I want to leave you. But I don't know where are you. So he was very afraid and because of the pain of rabbit. So poet James Stephens was trying to search a rabbit but he couldn't find it. This is the beautiful creation of James Stephens. I hope students you enjoyed this poem a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.